I'm Jana from the Retreat Country House in Italy. Join me in my Italian farmhouse kitchen for a culinary adventure cooking with Italian language. I will introduce you to delicious, healthy and easy to make recipes that you can easily create at home. We'll have fun practicing everyday Italian phrases inspired by our passion for food and travelling. So, whether you want to know your aperitivo from your antipasto or your frittura from your frutta, these fun live classes will add a touch of zest and Italian flavour to your life. So sign up today for our first Italian adventure. See you next week. Ci vediamo a presto. Cin cin.